Hello, this is Greg. I hope this is going to be a real short little recording here. I purchased a new item. It's on my desktop right here. It's on from Temu. It's this little 68. It says 70 in one here, but on the box it's actually 68 in one. They give you a couple of extras for purchasing this particular one. Purchased it through these guys right here. This Lirshi Gongi. I think that's not butchered too much. Here it is right here, 2124. If you click on it through that site there. And let's take a look. Here's the box. It came nicely packaged. That neither one of those videos came out any good, so I'm doing another one. Nicely packaged box inside of a cardboard box, inside of a bag. In the United States, it came relatively quickly. I think it was about 4 to 5 days. It has a nice plastic case. You can charge the unit with it closed up inside the case. Kind of nice. Push it in, slides out, and here's the unit. You have screws on both sides, front and back. They're all magnetized in. You can just push down on the front and grab a hold of them to pull them out. Very nice. The screwdriver itself is it feels good. It's metal. It's metal, and it has a good feel to it. It feels like you can grab onto it and not hurt it. Oh, I left it on when I turned it off, when I put it away. On the back here, you hold these buttons down and you get them flashing, and that's your lowest torque setting. And then you can go through and set them up, hold the button in, and hopefully it'll shut off. There it went. So it looks like it took about a 5-second push, 3 to 5 seconds for it to turn off and then turn back on. There we go. Let's go ahead and see how it works as a screwdriver. Oh, also, a couple of other things before I get too involved here. It came with this little magnetic pad with a grid on it for taking things apart. And it's got some good magnetic to it. Let me grab a big one down here. So it'll hang on to stuff. It'll keep your things in place. Directions in multiple languages, charging cable, and a magnetize and demagnetizer. There's also a magnetizer here and a demagnetizer here in this little compartment. There's also a pair of tweezers for pulling out your things, and down here in the bottom here is a little pry bar. Metal. It's nice, actually. It's quite solid. You could bend it for sure, but it's a way step above the little plastic ones. I don't think it matters which way it goes in there. The tweezers, you have to stick the head in first and then come down. Locks them in place. Okay, now, just for a sample, show you how it works. Oh, by the way, I'm not affiliated with these guys at all. So I don't care whether you buy it or not. I'm just showing you how it works. Can I get closer in on this? I can. See if I can do this left-handed so you can see what's happening. Just comes right out. Goes right back in. And then if you set the see if I can do this. Flash, and there we go. Oops, I messed up. Oh, I did it again. Okay, boom, 1. If you set it down to 1, it stops. So you can actually, for putting some things together, you want a nice even pattern around it so everything sits nice and flat. So that's kind of nice. You can pull stuff out. And that's on its lowest one. And then you can push it down. We'll just go right straight to the top. Oh, 5 of them. And then we get something that's just a little bit beefier. I got this guy right here. And we'll put a different head in here. Something with a little little bigger tip on it. And oh shit, there we go. Pulls that right up out of there, pushes it right back in. Do this way right here. So, and then you can actually use it as a screwdriver as well. So you can break things loose with it, you know, if you need to. I think that with electric motors, with the motors and stuff in here, if something just didn't come off by the motor, I would grab a screwdriver, break it loose, and then go ahead and take it out. But it's really designed for smaller things. It's not meant for this type of work. You know, get a Makita or a Milwaukee or something like that. So, and then it all goes back together very nicely. Did I put it in backwards? I put it in backwards. This way. Push the button. And then I have a longer power cord to keep it charging rather than the little short one. So yeah, I think that I'm very, very I want to try it. I'm waiting for my next project where I can use my new screwdriver. I hope this helps somebody somewhere make a decision one way or another. I am not affiliated with these people in any way. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.